Ever feel like you're doing everything right? Saving, budgeting, skipping the $6 lattes, and somehow you're still not building wealth? Nicole Lapin says it might not be what you're doing, it's how you're doing it. New York Times bestselling author and Money Rehab host Nicole Lapin breaks down the 3 middle-class money habits quietly keeping people stuck and what to do instead. Habit 1. Mistaking saving for building wealth. According to Lapin, keeping too much cash parked in a low-yield account feels prudent, but inflation erodes its value every year. Saving is smart, but parking piles of cash in a low-yield account is like leaving your car idling in the driveway. The engine's running, but you're going nowhere. And you're burning fuel while you wait, you'll find that over time, the value diminishes. Lapin says you can't save or budget your way into wealth. Real growth happens when your money's working, invested, not idle. Habit 2. Lifestyle inflation. Every raise shouldn't come with a matching new expense. When income rises, let your savings rate rise too. Capture part of every raise or bonus before lifestyle creep sneaks in, because bigger pay shouldn't just mean bigger bills. Habit 3. Ignoring the hidden drags. These sneaky costs eat away at wealth while pretending to be harmless. Audit your accounts, spot high-interest debt, buried fees, and forgotten subscriptions, and treat them like a fire. Put them out fast before they spread and burn through your wealth. Every dollar you plug back into investing becomes a mini raise you gave yourself. Nicole Lapin's rule is simple. Money shouldn't just sit, it should serve. Automate investing, kill expensive debt, and keep your lifestyle a step behind your income. Wealth isn't a windfall. It's the quiet, steady growth that happens when your dollars work as hard as you do. Got a money question? Head to gobankingrates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.